I'm Julia Jones, Vice President of Quality. What an amazing hour of information-filled session that Dr. Bragg has provided this afternoon to women in manufacturing. There were so many golden nuggets of information that she shared with us today that I hope every single person that was here today is able to apply some of those golden nuggets into their career planning, how they view themselves in their current role, how they view themselves as future opportunities inside the shipyard. So I totally appreciate it, and there are so many opportunities that this company offers all of us. I'm very excited about what Dr. Bragg is advocated for us on our behalf, women in manufacturing, and the value that we bring to the table as women shipbuilders.